Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this page I am delighted with. I would not have been able to capture this girl's face previously, but I'm really happy with it, especially the fact that she's got a headscarf on as well. So sketch number 1 took 3 minutes 10 seconds, and then the 2 and 3 took 3 minutes each. I utilised geometric and observational methods. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me and I will do a more thorough explanation and of these concepts and terms and methods. And I also utilised good speed, creating an all important feedback loop. This is where you create the analysis and critique of your pieces of the sketches, beg your pardon, where you went wrong, where you went right, where you would improve, and where you would not necessarily use going forward. There's some skills, some approaches that you can use for different things. That's what I've found in the last couple of weeks. Some methods work in some cases and then they don't really work in others. It's a massive learning. Basically, you need to learn on the job. So let me know what you think, what you utilise and what you don't, what you prefer, how you would go about it, and I shall see you next time. Thanks guys.